Hello guys, and welcome to Designing in SketchUp, Workspace Setup and Optimization. In the first module of this course, I will give a brief overview of the project that we'll be using as the demo for this course, as well as the following courses in the Designing in SketchUp series. Then, we will jump straight into the program and set up our workspace in order to optimize workflow and also software performance. This module will end in a small summary, as well as a heads up to what's coming next. Alright, so the setting for the project that we'll be using as the demo for this course is that your client, John Smith, who is a concert pianist, has contracted you to design a house for him. And we're going to be using SketchUp to design the house and make all the architectural plans for it. So the actual details of the house will be discussed at a later stage. In this course, we'll mostly focus on setting up our workspace and also doing some basic setting up for the environment of the house. However, what I do want to take a few seconds to talk about is sort of a higher level overview of the principles that guide this course, just to give you a better idea of what to expect from it and how the information in this course will be organized. Basically, what I want to do in this series of courses is to focus on simulation. So I want to go over how SketchUp can be used during all stages of the design process, so from the earliest sketches all the way to fully fledged construction plans. I also want to focus on methodology, so I want to emphasize good workflow philosophy, principles, and techniques. This also means that I might skip over some tasks that are a bit more repetitive, because I want you to make the most out of your time listening to this course. And the last thing I want to focus on is communication. As you well know, architectural design doesn't happen in a vacuum, and I feel like in these more technical courses that teach you how to use software, it's often a overlooked topic. So I really want to, show you how you can use SketchUp to communicate your ideas to not only your client, but also other industry professionals such as engineers and specialized trade professionals such as window manufacturers, plumbers, and electricians. And this is going to be a really interesting part too, because in a lot of ways, this is what makes designing and drafting in SketchUp unique compared to a lot of other programs. All right, so let's jump straight into the demo. So the goal of this demo will be to take SketchUp's default interface and optimize it for future work. We will be looking at elements such as toolbars, styles, lighting and fog, units and snapping lengths, as well as keyboard shortcuts. At the end of the demo, there will be a short summary as well as a preview of what's coming next.